What do you think of a second career in services? And I'm talking particularly about the defense services. This idea first struck me in 1983 when I read in an American magazine how some Western armies prepare their officers and encourage them to plan their second career between 15 to 20 years of their service so that when they retire, and because they retire early, they would have aligned themselves and prepared and upskilled themselves for that particular competency. In Indian Army, I found that this doesn't happen. Most officers plan their retirement or rehabilitation either just before the retirement or even after the retirement. Now, in the corona environment, the challenge has become even more. And that is, everyone has had to go online. And army officers generally, by and far, are not very comfortable online. With this, we have a challenge. Jogesh Jain, India's #1 employability coach, and I, Brigadier Sushil Bhasin, 34 years in the army and 15 years of corporate leadership training, have now planned to do focused group learnings. Now, what is a focused group learning? FGL in short. It is a focused group, which means there's a target group of a particular community, and in this case, it is defense officers, retiring or retired. They discuss something on a focused subject, and the subject here is how to select a second career and excel in it and be successful in it. It is free of cost, a 90 minutes masterclass where we all only discuss. There is no gyan, there is no lecture, there's no webinar. It is basically an interactive session where we get each other's views and formulate ideas for ourselves so that everyone who is into that problem can decide what to do. If this sounds interesting to you, join us on Wednesday evening 8 to 9:30 p.m. or Saturday morning 11 to 12:30. See the link below, join us. And if you know of somebody else who could be interested, inform them too. Looking forward to see you in the FGL. Thank you.